Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the Pixel Lab. Select the import button. Select a photo. Adjust the photo. Then select the import button. Go to the gallery. Select another shape. Remove the background. Select the orange color. Select the perspective. Adjust the photo. Then select another photo. Adjust the photo. Save the photo and shape. Adjust the save confirmation. Then change the background color. Duplicate the shape. Select the color filter. Adjust the color of shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.